Maybe I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape now and got it all just figured out. You can fake it through the ceiling to the rooftops while I'm leaving. You're my greatest mistake, greatest mistake. Maybe I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape now and got it all just figured out. You can fake it through the ceiling to the rooftops while I'm leaving. You're my greatest mistake, greatest mistake.
Jasper, Alberta, has faced one of the toughest years in its history. The 2024 wildfire changed the landscape and life for thousands. But today, Jasper is open, alive, and ready to welcome visitors again. If you're wondering whether to visit Jasper in 2025, the answer is yes. Jasper isn't just recovery. Your visit makes a difference.
Doubling over, the load on my shoulders wasn't weight I carry with me every day. Crossing miles of frustrations and rivers of raging, picking up stones I found along the way. I staggered and I stumbled down pathways of trouble. I was hauling those souvenirs of misery, and with each step taken my back was breaking till I found the one who took it all from me. Down by the riverside I lay my burdens down. Now I'm traveling
In late July 2024, lightning sparked two wildfires, one to the north and one to the south of Jasper, Alberta. Within hours, these fires converged and advanced into the resort town of Jasper, triggering a massive evacuation and sweeping through the community. Over 25,000 people, including about 5,000 residents and 20,000 visitors, were forced to flee. 358 structures were destroyed, about 30% of the town. The 2024 Jasper wildfire stands as one of Canada's most devastating natural disasters. Its impact on people, wildlands, and heritage was profound, but so too has been the determination to heal, rebuild, and renew.